Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video, and as you can see, a DC2 track car, and this one is going to be transformed. So let's see Uncle Keith and see where we get to. Okay, so as you've seen, this DC2 got dropped off, and it's for a liquid wrap. So initially we have to go around and look at the condition of the car. And we find defects. So the defects we find, we have to bring to the customer's attention, because these sorts of things, as you can see, the liquid wrap isn't going to fix this. It's going to be liquid wrap over the top of it. So we go around the car as best we can, and we find the defects that would need, if you were painting the car to a show standard sort of thing, then you would be repairing all defects and dents before you started to lay any paint work down. So as you can see, I mean, especially here, liquid wrap cannot fix a hole in the car. So any chips or dents or scrapes or holes, the liquid wrap isn't going to cover up. So a liquid wrap is great for if we're doing a simple colour change on a car. But if you've got these sorts of defects and dents as well, because you've got to remember that if you're not doing the prep work beforehand, these dents are still going to be here. And if you've got a chip with a bit of rust in it, these sorts of dents that we've ringed and highlighted, these aren't going to be fixed by liquid wrap. Now, obviously, this is a white DC2, and it's there's different shades of white on it. So a uniform colour will improve the look of this car no end, but it won't rectify bodywork. So we let the customer know, and we come back and we see what our mandate is. Well, it's in the booth. Mask it up. He's masking up. Yeah. You excited for this one? I do love a DC2.
Yeah, of course, isn't it?
Yeah. And it'll be awesome when it's all the same colour, won't it?
Yeah. That's really the idea of this, ain't it?
Yeah.
We've really repaired that bit there, haven't we? So
yeah.
A few bits on the rear bumper.
I see you've.
Yeah, and it's just.
See, you've done a little bit here.
Yeah, the mandate's just get it all one colour.
Yeah, uniform colour, and he's chosen a very nice colour, so it's going to be definitely going to be better. I'm looking forward to it. What time do you reckon you'll be getting some on it?
I don't know. I'm trying to get it masked so I can get some. I'm trying to get all the stuff on today, but it takes a long time to get it all on, don't it?
It's going to go black first, isn't it?
Yeah.
Going to go black. It's a track car, as you can tell. It's definitely a track car. Okay, well, I'll come back in a bit.
I'll give it a shout.
Yeah.
I'm hoping a couple of hours masking, and I'll be somewhere near, hopefully.
Right, I'll go get the kettle on.
Get the kettle on.
Well, as you can see, the first coat is on. It's gone black. It already looks better, Keith. All one colour already looks. So this is the first stage of the liquid wrap, and it's all black. I actually quite like it like that. Now the trouble with black is the black shows up defects a lot easier than the white. I don't know whether you can see that, but it won't hide things as well as white, because white takes you.
The stone chips a little bit, but it won't. Yeah.
It certainly won't hide. Well, that's the point of a liquid wrap, really, isn't it? But yeah, so there we go. The DC2 is at its first stage, and it is black. I think I'll take some photographs. I'll come and see you in a minute, Keith. Okay, Keith, I'm following you around. What's in there?
I've got some purple pearl.
It doesn't look purple. It looks clear. It's a strange one.
We're going to go down the side, and then you can have a look and see what.
Okay, okay. People love the sprayy bit. Should do a bit of purplish.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Enjoy.
Where we starting? On that wing?
Yeah, to be fair, I've probably got to go down the whole.
Okay.
I'm going to like do it as a whole, so I'm going to.
Yeah, baby.
What you really like viewers should be able to see.
We can just start to see it now, Keith.
Yeah.
It's starting to appear, my friend. Okay. Okay, well that's all the colour on, and then after lunch it'll have the top coat, which is another part of the LiquidWrap kit that keeps it, seals it in, makes it look like it's all lacquered in, and it is a lacquer effectively, but it's part of the LiquidWrap kit. It's called a super ultra gloss finish. It's an absolutely stunning colour, stunning. I'm looking forward to seeing it all shiny. It's currently matte, isn't it? But we'll see it all shiny in a bit. There's the man, Keith, in his element. He's got something in the gun. So Keith, now we're on with the final coat, which is like the lacquer part, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 2-pack lacquer. It's the same as normal lacquer, but then this goes over the peel on.
Yeah. So it protects it from things like bird poo and fuel and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's fuel resistant, and bird muck, like paint, if you see it, you've got to get it off.
Yeah, of course.
Because it will damage your paint.
It will eat it.
And it will eat it, yeah. So.
All right. Well, have it. Yep. Oh yeah.
That turns into something beautiful, doesn't
It certainly does. That's absolutely gorgeous. Check that out. Well, we're at that stage where it's looking absolutely gleaming in here, but I'm looking forward to seeing it outside built up again. It's a beautiful colour, absolutely stunning colour, and I think once it's all back together, look how deep that roof looks, gorgeous. But once it's outside and hopefully we get a little bit of sunshine, I think that's going to look $1 million.
We've got to add some purple to the carbon fibre bits as well, yeah?
We're adding purple.
We're re-lacquering the carbon fibre bits, but with the purple pearl from the colour.
That's very nice. I look forward to seeing that.
Sort of effect. You'll be able to see it, but I don't know what.
It'll look like one of those licorice sweets.
We'll see, won't we?
Yeah. Okay, excellent. Right, we'll be back in a bit. Well, some finishing touches. As you can see, a carbon fibre boot lid. It is very sexy, and Keith's going to make it even sexier.
We've got some purple pearl, the purple pearl of the car, in some clear. So we're going to lacquer the car with this, and then.
All right. Well, here we go, mate.
I don't think it'll look purple like the car, but it'll do.
It'll have a little tint to it.
We'll do something.
Shiny.
It might take 2 or 3 coats to get the desired effect, and it might have to be outside to see the pearl, because I don't think you'll see it in here. But
mate, that looks brand new already.
Yeah.
That looks absolutely brand new already.
Excellent. Another 2 coats like that.
Yeah. Okay. I'm really
we've got bonnet, spoiler.
I'm really looking forward to seeing this car outside. Beautiful. All right, see you in a bit.
Cheers, man.
Well, that's started to come together. Looks gorgeous, Keith. Gorgeous. What's in here? Show me. Show me.
The other carbon fibre wing.
Oh, I can see the purple in that now.
You can see it.
Yeah, I
think
don't know whether
more on the mirror because it's catching it. It's at the right angle, isn't it? And then the spoiler and the bonnet's got the same purple pearl on.
Yeah.
I think outside in the sun it'll just
Oh, it looks fantastic. I didn't know we could do this, man. That looks wicked.
The thing with carbon fibre, if there's a little bit of damage or if there's a chip, there will still be a chip or a bit of damage, or because there's only so much you can actually do with it. All we can actually do is buzz it down and then re-lacquer it. So if there's anything that's, you know, a crack or a split, it will still have a crack or a split in it. But
looks like glass, mate. It's gorgeous. Yeah.
I think that's drastically improved it, ain't it?
Absolutely fantastic. You just see the purple pearl in it. It looks wicked, man.
It's amazing, don't it?
Brilliant. I'm looking forward to see it all come back together. I'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.